Hello and welcome back. Now, in this particular video right here, I would like to introduce you to the concept of creating Facebook groups in order to enable you to get some traffic to your blog or website. Now, in this case, you're looking at a page that I personally own, which is Sophia Gold, my brand for women with the diabetes issue. Now, in this particular page, we share some really interesting information about diabetes that can help such women in order to get healthier with some tips. And so we grew this page from 0 to now about 31,000 followers, and we forecast that in the next month we will have about 100,000 followers on this page. Now, how we grew this page is our little secret. That's why we have decided to make this particular lecture right here, where I could actually promise that if you engage with the course, and if at least 10 students engage with the course enough and show interest in learning this method of ours that we have used to grow this page to such a large following, then please just go ahead and interact with us in the Q&A section. And you can also message us directly in the message section, wherein we will know that this is something interesting to you and that you would like to learn how it's done. Because one of the key things about growing a page is that you can link to your website. Now, for example, I can show you the website, I have no problem. But when it comes to the funnel itself, I'm not going to show you the funnel. So the website is a very simple blog, right? As you can see right here, this image was actually generated by AI. Everything here, even the character herself, is not a real character. It's a AI generated character we named Sophia Gold in order to grab some attention. Now, if you might be thinking, are these followers fake? Well, number one, there is a possibility that there's a lot of people that have fake following, but you cannot have fake followers at this number, right? Because mostly those are real people, or actually in 100% of the case here is they're real people because we're using a legit method. And if you are interested to learn what that method is, then just let us know. Now, we have a simple blog that benefits from this. This particular blog can receive huge amounts of traffic due to the amount of people that like us. And the interesting part why we're using this method here is to educate, empower, give for free. And then we have a funnel where we capture people's email addresses and phone numbers to therefore sell them on products via email marketing and also via SMS marketing. Now, that's pretty much it for this lecture. And again, like I said, if you're interested to learn more, just give us a sign in the Q&A section. Let us know that you're interested with such a method, and we'll be more than happy to do that for you. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.